In this video, we will learn all of the world's greatest mathematician and their contribution in math, like from Asia continent, Kolmogorov was from Russia, Brahmagupta, Aryabhatta and Srinivasa Ramanujan was from India, and also Omar Khayyam was from Iran. Now takes a look of their contribution. So Kolmogorov is familiar for Kolmogorov axiom, which is also known as probability theory. And Brahmagupta first give rules to compute with 0. And Aryabhatta provide an approximate value to pi. And you know Srinivasa Ramanujan, he is a very familiar mathematician, and he gives this series to calculate the value of pi. And Omar Khayyam is familiar to wrote treatise on demonstration of problems of algebra, and most of the algebraic principles have been drawn from his book. There are a lot of mathematicians from the continent Europe like Thales, Pythagoras, Euclid, Archimedes, Eratosthenes was from Greece, Isaac Newton, George Boole and Andrew Wiles was from England, and Albert Einstein, Leibniz, Gauss, Riemann, Hilbert, Dirichlet, Cantor and Noether was from Germany, and from France, Blaise Pascal, Cauchy, Fourier, Laplace, Lagrange, Legendre, L'Hopital's, Descartes, de Fermat and also Denis Poisson. An Italian mathematician was Fibonacci, Scottish mathematician was John Napier, and also Swiss mathematician was Leonhard Euler and Bernoulli. Now takes a look of their contribution. Like Thales is familiar for Thales theorem. Like for any circle, if AC is the diameter, then this angle will be 90 degree. Pythagoras is familiar for Pythagorean theorem. Euclid is called the father of geometry, and his mathematical system is known as Euclidean geometry. And Archimedes proved a range of geometrical theorems, and he first gave the formula area of circle, which is pi r square. And Eratosthenes provided a simple algorithm to locate the prime numbers. George Boole is familiar for Boolean algebra. Like in finite mathematics, we normally study conjunction, disjunction, negation. And Isaac Newton is familiar for developing calculus, also for developing the binomial theorem. And this is the binomial theorem. Andrew Wiles is familiar to prove the Fermat-Last theorem. Pascal is familiar for the binomial coefficient table, which is also known as Pascal's triangle. This is the Pascal triangle. And Descartes, actually the Cartesian coordinate system was named after him, and he is the father of analytical geometry, which bridged between the algebra and geometry. And Fermat is familiar for his last theorem. Cauchy is familiar for Cauchy sequence in complex analysis, Cauchy distribution in statistics, Cauchy boundary condition in partial differential equation, also permutation group in abstract algebra. And Joseph Fourier is familiar for Fourier series and also Fourier transformation. There are few more French mathematicians. Laplace is familiar for his equation. This is the Laplace equation. He is also familiar for Laplace transformation. And Legendre is familiar for Legendre equation, Legendre polynomials and also Legendre transformation. And Lagrange, he developed the variation of parameters to solve ordinary differential equation, and you know this is a very effective rule to solve ODE. He also familiar for the Lagrange's multiplier to find local extrema. L'Hopital is familiar for L'Hopital's rule. Like we use his rule to calculate a limit if a limit is indeterminate forms like 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity. And Poisson is familiar for Poisson equation, also Poisson distribution in statistics. This is the Poisson equation. Albert Einstein is familiar for equal to mc square formula. He also gives theory of Brownian motion. And Leibniz is familiar for developing calculus. Actually, calculus is developed independently by both Leibniz and Isaac Newton. And today we use this notation in calculus, and this notation first used by this guy Leibniz. Hilbert is familiar for Hilbert basis theory and also Hilbert space. And Cantor is familiar for developing set theory. And Dirichlet gives the modern formal definition of a function, and he also familiar for Dirichlet condition in Fourier series, also Dirichlet boundary condition in differential equation. Few more German mathematician. Noether, she had a significant contribution to develop abstract algebra. And Gauss is actually sometimes referred as the foremost mathematician, and we use Gaussian elimination in linear algebra to solve a system of linear equation, and this method is given by him. He also familiar for Gauss distribution or normal distribution formula. This is the normal distribution formula. And Riemann is familiar for Riemann integral, also Riemann surface and Riemann hypothesis. Italian mathematician Bigelow, who better known as Fibonacci for his Fibonacci sequence. This is the Fibonacci sequence. And Scottish mathematician John Napier, who first developed logarithms. Swiss mathematician Bernoulli, who first discovered E while studying compound interest in his master thesis, and this is the formula for E. He also familiar for Bernoulli differential equation and Bernoulli distribution. Euler is familiar for Euler's number, although this number E is discovered by Bernoulli, but it denoted by E in honor of Euler. He also familiar for Euler's formula, also Euler's identity. From America continent, the greatest mathematician is Faurisce Nash. He is familiar for Nash embedding theorem, and you know A Beautiful Mind movie, which is actually based on his biography. Thanks for watching.